Osteoporosis is a global health problem affecting more than 200 million people worldwide. If you would believe, a staggering 9 million people sustain osteoporotic fractures worldwide annually. The worst thing about osteoporosis is that it does not show up. So patients do not have symptoms, unlike some of the other diseases, until one day when they have a very small fall and sustain having a fracture in the hip or the spine. And sometimes these fractures can be life-defining, changing the course of the life completely upside down. So it is very important for patients, especially females, beyond 40-45, especially the ones in the post-menopausal phase, to actively pursue a good lifestyle, vitamins and nutrient supplements whenever needed, and their annual or biannual health checkups should include a bone density assessment, and when they are found osteoporotic, they should seek expert consultation with their physician or surgeon and get appropriately treated. Thank you.